joined Stellar Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Stellar Academy produced Goa State Topper for JEE Main 2024. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12.
The MPC also decided by a majority of 4 out of 6 members to remain focused on withdrawal of accommodation to ensure that inflation progressively aligns to the target while supporting growth. I shall now briefly set out the rationale for these decisions. The inflation growth balance is moving favorably. Growth is holding firm. Inflation continues to moderate, mainly driven by the core component, which reached its lowest level in the current series. Hence, monetary policy must continue to remain disinflationary and be resolute in its commitment to aligning inflation to the target of 4% on a durable basis. Sustained price stability would set strong foundations for a period of high growth. Accordingly, the MPC decided to keep the policy repo rate unchanged at 6.5% in this meeting of the MPC. The MPC also decided to remain focused on withdrawal of accommodation to ensure anchoring of inflation expectations and fuller policy transmission. Real GDP growth for the current financial year 2024-25 is projected at 7.2%. Let me repeat, the GDP growth that we are now projecting for the current financial year 2024-25 is 7.2%.